So how can you go full screen on the iPad? Let me guide you through it and show you how you could make it work. If it's your first time being here on Foxtecc, definitely become part of the community so you don't miss videos like this one. Well, essentially in the iPad OS 26 and even in the earlier versions, there were some multitasking features which were like able or it was possible to make the windows smaller and not full screen. So for example, you can notice that some of my apps are not in the full screen and they are kind of like floating around and not filling up, not taking up the whole space. So there are actually more ways how you can make it go back to the full screen. Like usually you can grab the like handle in the bottom right corner and stretch it out back so it can kind of like move it back to the full screen. But I think it's better to use like the Mac approach because in the top left corner we have the three buttons, the red, orange or yellow and green one, and the green one naturally makes it return back to the full screen, so that is how you can make the apps go back to the full screen. However, if you notice that it happens too often and you don't even use the multitasking, you can find it inside of the settings, and in the left panel we see the multitasking and the gestures, and there are three options. So we have the stage manager and windowed apps, which will definitely not always take up the full screen, but if you choose the left option, which literally says full screen apps only, then you don't have to worry about some apps not being stretched out to the full display. So I guess that's something which you could also turn on your device specifically if you feel like it would do a better job for you. So I hope it makes sense. I tried to explain it. So let me know what you think. In case of any questions, leave them below, and I will see you in the future tutorials as well.